So, dear students, some of you are pointing out that Scratch is not working. Although I told you that how to use the Scratch, and I told you to install this one, Scratch, this app. Already have given you the link on WhatsApp group, but still it seems some of the mobiles, mostly it is working, but on some of the mobiles, this Scratch is not working. Okay, so there is one more option that you can use Scratch, that is online Scratch. So how to use that? You will open your web browser. I am having Google Chrome. You can open Mozilla or whatever you feel like. Then here you have to write online Scratch editor. Online Scratch editor. I hope it is clear. Then see, here it is coming. Hello. Here it is coming. Hello Scratch to online editor. Okay. So I'll stop this. I'll just click on this. Then after this, click on create option. So once I have clicked on online Scratch editor, it opens something like this. Okay. So one thing more I want to tell you. I have done little bit changes here. If I click on this, there is one option desktop site. If in your case, if it is not working, I'll show you how it works. If I click on desktop site, little bit changes will be there. So it is looking like this now. You can work in this way also. But if it is okay, the previous screen was okay for you, then you can unclick this. I'm using Google Chrome. Okay. So this is okay for me. And now if I have to make one program here, one thing here, because you are only able to see one screen at a time. The blue screen, if you will just scroll down, you are able to see all. Okay. So in this case, I have not installed Scratch, but I am using online editor, but internet should be there. This is very important. Internet should be present on your mobile. Then only you are able to use Scratch in this way. Suppose I have to make one program here. So how to make one program? Suppose move. Okay. Then I can tilt it also. Suppose I am just I'll move my mobile. So it's coming like this, but it's very bigger now. I'm not able to see properly. So what I can do, I'll open the desktop site from here. This will be more easier for me. Reload. You have to create some patience. Now see, this is more familiar. Now move. Okay. Then from here, pen, then moved, then pen down. It will work little slowly, but at least you are able to do the work. Pen down, then for example, motion, pen down, then if I want to make turn, again move. So if I click it, can you see? It's working. So has proved that you can do your work with this method also. I think so. Now no one will say me that, sir, Scratch is not working. So Scratch is working with all the methods. The students who are failed to install Scratch on mobile, only very less students are there. They can use this method. So I'm stopping my tutorial now.